Hey guys, welcome back to the page, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to this episode of Skipdash Learning. Is that right? Maybe that's a thing. Anyways, welcome. So today's episode is going to be a little bit different than a normal driving episode. Basically, with it being summertime and things being a little bit more busy for me in my normal life and also my hobbies, I have less time to do shifts, and also in summertime we're getting less shifts with Skipthedishes as well. So what I thought is this is a perfect time to do some of the videos that you guys have been asking for. So today what we're going to cover is we're going to cover my car setup / video camera setup that I have to record my videos, and then also I will show you kind of the inside of my car quickly and how it's set up. Really not that exciting, but some of you guys have asked for it, so it's going to be more about the information today than anything else. So without further ado, let's go over the camera setup. So for my filming, I generally use a GoPro Hero 4. That's what I'm videoing this on. I'll insert a picture of what it is. You guys know what a GoPro is, but I've had this one for quite a while and works for all the things that I need to use it for. I thought about getting a new one, but I don't need it at this point. So this case here is the standard GoPro case with the open back. Okay, there's covered backs, there's lots of different backs you can get for them. I don't use that anymore. I used it in my first couple videos because that's what I had. The problem with this case is it muffles a lot of the audio from the GoPro. So what I use now is this Sublimeware case, which I love because it's all completely open and you can access everything. The microphones and everything have holes everywhere, so it picks up better audio. It's also got some mounting here for different microphones and things like that, flashes or whatever you need. So it's a cool little mount. Picked it up on Amazon and works very well. And the bases I've got mounted, you'll see this in the car, but the bases I've got mounted in the car, and you just slide them in and out. I don't use the clicky things. They're actually broken off here. You can kind of see it there. Usually there's little tabs that lock in place. Anyways, so that's what I use for holding my GoPro. And then sometimes when I'm in the big Armada and I don't have my my mounts mounted like I do in the little white car, this is what I use. Just suction cups to the window. Works very well. And I've had this in a kit I bought a long time ago with my GoPro. So that's essentially the camera equipment I use to film this. Also use my Apple phone for any of the stuff that goes on for the hidden camera footage and stuff like that I used to do. Don't necessarily do a lot of anymore. So from that point, let's go into the car and I will show you guys what the stuff I use in the car is. All right, so the car is an absolute mess right now. I haven't been in it for a while, and there's lots of stuff going on in here. So basically, guys, couple things I use in the vehicle. Number one is my cell phone mount. So this is a magnetic mount that I picked up on, actually this is the one my wife bought a long time ago. So that's from Amazon. Magnet mount works great. There's a little metal thing that mounts on the back of your phone. Obviously the charger, which is always in here, and I've got another mount that clips on the vent right beside it. I used to use it, but now I just use that one for my phone most of the time. The other thing here is I'm trying to shade the sun from you guys. The mounts here for the GoPro, so they just slide in and out. They can go in forwards, backwards. Then I have one mounted right there as well too. And that's basically my camera equipment. Very, very simple. I have those, one mount faces forward right in front of me or backwards. The other one faces at about a 45-degree angle towards the right-hand side or passenger side of the vehicle. And that's what I use for filming. Super easy, very, very simple. And the last thing that somebody's asked for is what video editing software do I use? I keep it simple. I use the Apple software that comes on my computer, my desktop computer. All Apple products have it. And it's the purple star. I forget the name of the iMovie, that's what it is. I use iMovie for my video editing. Works really well. Does what I need it to do, and that's it. So thanks guys for tuning in. Hopefully you found this information interesting. If you have any comments, questions, list them below. And video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If this is your first time coming across my videos, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.